Hey everyone, welcome to our 5-day challenge where we're going to be making 5 recipes, 1 per day, to show you how you can save money in your Thermomix, making really simple, quick and easy recipes. You can save so much money on making your own muesli bars at home. Let's check out how easy it is. I have it saved in my weekly plan. I'm going to go to my week and there they are, banana and oatmeal energy bars. Make sure that your oven is preheated first. You want to grease and line your tin. And now we're going to pop in our dates, 80 grams of dates. And we're going to chop up those dates just for a couple of seconds. And next we have our 30 grams of pepitas, 100 grams of rolled oats, 40 grams of desiccated coconut, and I've added the pinch of cinnamon here. 1 banana, or about 130 grams, and away we go. And either with your spatula or the back of a spoon, you're just going to flatten it out. With a knife, you want to score it into about 8 to 10 bars, and then simply into the oven for about 20 minutes on 180 degrees. So after 20 minutes of cooking, you'll see they start to brown around the edges. They're ready. You just need to let them cool in the tin and then cut along the scored lines and away you go. We've stored them in our vacuum seal so that they can last longer, but you can store them anywhere you like.